Hey y'all, so I just arrived to Feminine Attractions because I am about to get my wig split. Just kidding, my hair done. So this is gonna be a vlog, so I hope you guys tune in. I hope you guys really love it because I'm excited. I'm about to get my hair done because I definitely need my hair done. Catch you guys in a bit, but before I forget, gotta put my mask on, you know?
Perfect. So today you're getting what? Boho Stitch braids.
Boho Stitch braids.
And her hair is nice and soft. It don't gotta be silky straight, but it needs to be like it needs to be nice and stretched, because the reality is stitch braids, if you want them to look slick, your hair gotta be slick. Especially if it's thick. Now if you have fine hair, you really don't have to put much heat, or not too much heat. Or no heat at all, actually. Burly anyway. So just using my products right now. I like to pre-part when I do my stitch braids because I don't have patience and I cannot be parting every braid. I like to just pre-part, get that out the way because that takes me the longest, and then I just, once I pre-part, I just start every braid. Boom, boom, boom. So I take my time and do, because I stitch quick. I got to actually stitch as fast. It's the damn parting that messes me up. So I take my time. This is how I plait the hair. I pre-part it, so I have my sections. Boom, 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 boom. Now I'm gonna get straight into it. Boom. So I'm gonna start with the first braid on the side here. Use my clips because I need all the hair out the way. I don't want no hair messing me up. So these are the two products I'm using. This is my hair wax from my website, my hairline. Hair product line, and this is just Shein and Jam. You can get this at your local beauty supply store. I use them together for the best result. Boom shakalaka. I put one little layer or one coat on. Make sure you don't put it too high up because all of this gonna tangle. Just make sure it's like on the roots, because that's what needs to be slick. Then on top of that, you put the green Shein and Jam. This is your final. Not too much product, just enough to saturate their hair and make it shine and all that stuff. Comb it in real good so nothing is turning white. Once you comb it in, you're good. Make sure all that other hair is in the way. So I do all this just so everything is precise. I grab on the edges so I give it some space so I can grab tight. Put a line in the middle so when I do my stitches, I know where I'm at. Put some Shine Jam in the middle to make sure that hair is separated, and then you can start. Her hair is thick, so I'm not gonna add hair to this first piece. Kind of started off like a knotless braid. Boho, so I like to put the curly hair with the braiding hair because the braiding hair needs to feel the whole braid so it could be all fluffy. So boom, first piece. And don't braid tight. Make sure you're braiding like soft so it could be fluffy. Like this. It's fluffy enough for me right now, so I'm gonna kind of come down a little bit. And I'll add one more curly piece. You don't need that much curly hair. As long as you got 1 or 2 pieces in here, then that's good enough. Now I'm gonna add one more braiding hair and curly hair to finish it off. You just braid it in. Braid super loose. When you get to the end, that curly hair is gonna start trying to pop out. Just let it pop out so it could be like boho. And just tie a knot and glue the ends, and then fluff it out. So tie your knot and then come back to your braids, fluff them out just like this. This is what people like the most about the boho. This fluffy look. And just go back and cut that expression here. This is the last braid, y'all. Down to the finish. Just gonna make sure it's just as precise as the other one. Nothing but perfection here. Has a pine, but she's 100% natural, and her hair is pretty thick. So yes, if you have 4C hair, you can get this style. You just gotta blow it out. If your hair is ridiculously thick to the point where you feel like, damn, even when you blow it out, it's not straight enough, you can always just put a hot comb to the roots. It's the roots that people have issues with when their hair is thick. Most of the time, it's not really the ends. But yeah, for her, all she did was blow dry. We didn't do any extra heat. So if your hair is healthy enough to just be blow dried and it's not gonna be all tangled and matted up, then that's good. As you can see, the stitches forming, looking real nice and sleek.